Hi guys, good morning. Small scale trader ulit sa video na.
Stop it!
Try something!
In this video, I will show you my step-by-step process on how I trade the market consistently. Our main strategy will focus entirely on liquidity. So basically, we are entering where the stop losses are located. Our main tools are order block, inducement, and imbalance. Strategy. First, we will wait for an impulse move to happen to create an imbalance. Second, an order block is now created. And lastly, we will wait for an inducement to happen before we place a trade. The entry. Well, to be honest, you can experiment on this one, but I highly suggest to enter on the open or close of an order block, especially if you're a beginner. The stop loss. It should be less 1 point above or below the order block. The take profit should be the previous high and low when you're new, but you can adjust to take partials when you're confident. Please take note that these are all cherry-pick examples to illustrate how it looks on the real market. Again, I did not and will never say that trading is easy, but rather simple. Well, 90% failure rate is concrete evidence that this is not easy or a get-rich-quick game. I highly suggest that you back us first before using your hard-earned money, as there are other factors that affect trading and not just having a good trading strategy. If you have questions, write it below in the comment section. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and press that notification bell to notify you about the different kinds of inducement. Small Scale Trader here. See you again soon, and make sure to watch until the end. Please note, the example I showed you is for long position, and you can use it as well for short position. Just don't forget that if the market is bullish, you will only open long position and short when bearish. For time frame, you need 3. Higher time frame for bias, mid for main, and low for entry and refinement.